Okay, see any more onions?
No.
Okay. Well, let's keep looking. So we're harvesting some onions today out of these salad bowls that I put onions in instead of salad this year. And we're going through, and onions didn't do as good as I imagined, but I'm talking to the camera. But
Daddy,
I think I need to mix up my...
I think I found it.
Oh yeah, you did find an onion. Can you get that out? Reach down. Yep, good. My soil's kind of hard after the first few inches, so we're gonna try a different soil mix for our onions next time. And they get quite a bit overrun with lamb's quarter and some other stuff, but it's a test bed, so I'm not sweating it too much. Can you get it? That's not an onion, honey. But if you can pull that out, it'll help break all this hard dirt up.
All?
Well, not all of it, obviously, but... Okay. All right, I think Dad's going to have to get the shovel and break it up a little bit more. Okay, guys?
Can I try?
Yeah, yes. Here you go.
Daddy, watch out for the onions. Need some help, baby? I can't break it. Me and Kitty can do it.
Okay.
Can we go get their tiny shovels?
They're buried in the other garage. I can't even get to them right now because Daddy's working on that garage still.
Kitty, I would smash it.
Let Xavier chop it up and then you can scoop it out.
Actually, Kitty can chop it. I'll scoop it.
Okay.
Kitty! You killed him! You killed him!
Don't kill the onions.
You killed him. Okay, this one's alive.
All right, put it in there.
Kitty!
All right, that's what we're doing today. It's one of the things we're doing today.
No, give me it.
Hey guys, what are we doing right now?
Digging for some onions. Digging for some onions. Whoa.
Break that up and see if there's an onion in it. Watch out for people's hands, John.
I'll break it. I'll break it. Break.
All right.
Oh, I see onion.
Put it in the onion box. Good. All right. Do we think there's any more onions in there?
No.
Huh?
Yeah.
You think there's more onions in there? Okay, keep digging then.
There is no onions in this bird.
Wow, I got 3 really good onion harvesters, don't I?
Yeah.
And the cat's just laying in the mound of dirt. Scoop that out. See if we got some onions in there. So I planted onions in the solid bowls this year. Get it. Get that onion. Nice. Nice keeping an eye out. And so now we're harvesting them up. Because we're doing actually fall garden prep as well, which is to kind of clean this. We got 600 linear feet of 6.5 foot poly ground control fabric, and we're gonna close this area in with it. We're gonna do the inside of the tomato house because we never put ground control in there. We're gonna do this area here, which is potatoes, garlic, and beans, which the garlic's already been pulled, and we expanded it out a little bit by planting some sorghum Sudan grass there as our green manure. So we're just I'm trying to get all this kind of cleaned up and lined out and collect up what materials I'm not going to use, start laying out the materials we are going to use for fall. It's Matt with Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Oh, hey, careful. Whoa. Stop. You're done. You almost hit Haley in the face.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, sorry. So don't fight over the shovel.
I'm digging by myself.
Okay, I think we almost got it empty enough where Daddy can pick it up and turn it over. Let's do that. That onion. Oh, that's a pretty good onion. All right, go put it in the onion crate.
Get off of me.
Well, when you're outside, you're going to have bugs.
Hey,
So this is our last little container of onions. We're going to try and get
it.
Oh my God, what is that?
Oh,
Is that a wasp?
Spider. It's a spider.
Where?
Flying one. It's a flying spider behind you.
Where?
Let me check. It's still behind you.
Is it on me?
Let me see. On the other side. That's not on you anymore.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, it still is.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
What?
Get the shovel. Ah!
Don't try to hit me with a shovel. Just get the spider.
Don't move. Okay? John, give me the shovel.
No, don't hit me with a shovel.
With a shovel. Okay? Don't move, Dad. This thing's ready to bite.
Get it?
Yeah, it's ready.
Oh. Yeah.
Dad, look at this.
I think he's dead.
onion.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Daddy, okay, look at this onion. Okay.
That's a good onion. I thought it was a dragonfly.
That's a flying spider.
Yep.
What do you think that was, Daddy?
I thought it was a dragonfly. I don't worry too much about spiders, but that was a big nasty one.
That was a flying one.
Yep. Okay, let's get in there and get those onions, guys.
Digging for onions. Hey, Daddy.
Like I said, these solid onion bowls got.
Hey, Daddy. First I saw a goat.
Well.
Sorry. Whoa.
Okay. Do stay away from snakes if you see them, because I don't know. I know, but we do have copperheads now and then. All right, good. Throw that in there. All right, let me see that, Kate. Yeah, that's what I said. Hey everybody, it's TheLowCashHomestead. It's harvest day. I got a big sale for tomorrow and it is storming its butt off, which means as of right now, we are confined to the greenhouse. We are in, ooh, that is a nice one. Look at that Asian red noodle bean. That is 3 feet long. So it's harvest day. We're inside the high tunnel. We're going through our trellises and harvesting there. One of the other things that these cattle panel trellises are fantastic for beans. They make a nice beans and cucumbers, tomatoes, all kinds of things. They make a nice little tunnel. See, there's some tomatoes right there that you can walk through and harvest. The other thing that's great about it is these rows and squares give you kind of like a zone. So you work your way through the zones. Work your way through the zones, and it helps you really be thorough as well as efficient in your harvesting. All right, I gotta get back to work. Thank you very much. Have a good day. So this is another reason why I prefer Kentucky climbers. I mean, just look at it. Man, they get going. Once they get going, these things just produce. I got 40 feet of Kentucky climbers. All right, I gotta get back to work. So a while ago I showed you like a proof of concept video where I put some carrots, they're right here, in a bucket just to see what they were gonna do. This is one of the ones I pulled out. Let's pull out another one and see what we get out of it. Okay, so not as good. Also not as good, but I think it's worth looking into a little bit more. We'll do some more research on that.